If you're a Ninjaman fan, you know say he gives some of the best interviews. This is an interview from 8 years ago. Flow TV, Ninjaman, and 5 women or 5 girls. Let's watch and enjoy.
It's a very special guest. Now, this man is always known to make a statement, whether by the things that he says on stage or anywhere he feels like, or the things that he wears. Now, we're here with the original, the gang, the real Dan Doggone Ninjaman. Hi, Ninja Wagwan.
Correct that.
What am I say then?
The original front teeth, gold teeth, take off down half a teeth, brush teeth, toothpaste. And now spit no more shot in the nigga face. Early Sunday morning, Dan Gorgon talk. Remember, Dan Gorgon.
Dan Gorgon.
Get it right.
I stand corrected. I stand corrected.
There was no way you could have remembered all of that.
Yeah, sorry, my brain. Yeah. No, we're not there.
Yes,
but let me just tell you, all of what you said and the Dan Gorgon, how did you get that name?
Please.
Or those names?
Well, name was given to me because I was sent by God to do my work, you know. Everything when I get, God give me it, you know. And the work when I do, I just the title when I get, you know. If you notice, from me a DJ till now, me are the greatest dancehall DJ Jamaica ever see. Me are the longest reigning DJ in a dancehall. We're still popular until now. And you ever hear them call me and give me an award? No, they can't give me no award. Because my title bigger than the award. And me I Dan Gorgon. No more.
So hold on. So in addition to all of that, the dancehall side and the rough side, obviously the Ninjaman, is there a softer side to you though? Is there like a lady side?
You want to see when me and my wife apart?
No. When you and my wife, tell us what happened. Huh? Tell us a little bit about the softer side of you.
You see, my softer side is not talking. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, all right. All right.
Tell us something about you that will shock. Like if they find out about it, they say, really?
My teeth foul.
Oh, you mean?
What is no, and for our international audience who off the bat they don't know what a foul is. What is a foul, Ninjaman? What is a foul?
You know the chicken where you buy and cook and eat?
Right.
Yes.
With teeth in before in dead.
So you think the fall out of fall cub?
Yeah.
Okay.
When you see that country?
Yeah, I'm telling you how to do it.
No, I don't think no. Don't get into it. We really don't.
I want to know.
All right. Let me tell you what I want to know though. Tell me. I mean, we've heard a lot of things about Ninjaman. You know what I mean? The music, all the allegations, all of that. What rumor got you most upset out of everything that you've heard?
You know what I'm saying? You know what nothing not get me upset? Life is an experience. And if you weren't here, you wouldn't have got none of those experiences. So everything that happened in life, me just take it with a smile. That's why you see how me look little and neat, me not make nothing trouble me.
Even when you have on the rough face, you're still smiling on the inside.
I'm not joke. No people used to come to you with a smiling face. I'm total hypocrite. I smile in my heart. That's why every time people see me, them feel happy because my smile inside of my heart. And when you see me, you say love.
True.
Nice. You understand? Me have a man come to you and cleaning teeth. No, waste of time that.
Yeah.
Hypocrite that.
You've been in the business now for how long?
Time.
For over 20 years?
Yeah,
what moments?
Me I do more than 30 years now.
Yeah, man, a long time, man.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
So out of all of that, outside of, you know, the stage shows and everything, is there a specific moment that still stands out to you that you'll never, ever, ever forget?
Well, you want me know. You want to stand out moment for me when me turn brother days, man, you know.
Yeah, exactly. That's
so what happened to brother
how
days,
did that
man?
happen though? Like what happened? You're walking on church, a pastor preach a very good message, you get convicted, you decide to baptize same time
Man. You know, walking at church, man.
Okay, you go church.
God send me go do what he want me to do, man.
Okay.
So are you still brother Desmond?
God anoint me brother Desmond from the day I born. My name is Desmond John Valentine, you know. John as in John the Baptist. John and his Ben John may come but Toby and two, you know. You understand?
Okay.
Me's a man where they have to do God work.
So you go around and you preach and them something the same way, because I mean
Right,
initially.
I'll show you something. Preaching is not the only thing I'm doing God work, you know.
Right.
Even this one I do now with the taxi operator appreciation and family fund there. It's a part of God work, helping another poor person to have something in life.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
It's not all about having everything for yourself. You hear some people tell you God help those that help themselves. Them is the wickedest liar in the world. Why me can't help myself and God will help me? God not done help me if he help myself already.
Right.
Yeah.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
Okay,
So
oh,
fix
that
up
is
the
how it go.
doctrine.
Right.
Say it
that
again,
is-
say it again, so get it right.
God help those that cannot help themselves.
At you. Right.
All right, so you have some figures in dancehall right now, like Gully Bop and Alkaline. What are your thoughts when you look at the artists that are there now?
Well, all right. You see, Gully Bop, he was a comedy artist. And if them would direct Gully Bop in the right way, he will go far because people then love him.
Right.
Yeah, rest in peace, Gully Bop. As per usual, Ninjaman interviews, always informative, entertaining. We're gonna stop laugh. And he made some very valid point. My favorite part is God help those who can't help themselves. Maybe you need to hear that. Have a good one. Stay blessed, stay safe.